in the industry?
I am as fresh as they come. Graduated about 6 months ago.
I just started 1 month ago.
I've had my license for exactly 3 weeks.
I got my license last month.
I've been in the industry for 8 months.
It's been 2 months.
A year approximately.
I just got my real estate license last month.
I have been in the industry all of 4 weeks, I guess, and for the accelerator training program. So yeah, I'm brand new.
How's your experience with the accelerator program?
Oh, I love it. I love it. It treats you as the real estate agent already, like you know what you're doing. And at the meantime, it actually gives you all the hints and the experiences that you need to know.
It was so nicely designed. It's like I'm getting a private session, one-on-one. The managers were so much involved. They have covered each and every topic. That was fantabulous.
We were so lucky to get Michael and Darren, who took their time with us every moment of the way. They've told us at no point, don't hesitate to ask them for questions. They've just been wonderful, and I don't want to say hand-holding, but it feels good to have your hand held when you're just thrown into this kind of industry. So
Almost 99% questions got solved. I feel Accelerator, a really good book for a beginner who are going to start their journey in this real estate.
And I just feel so comfortable to ask a question, and I don't feel that Darren or Lisa or Michael look at you like, where did that come from? We were all there once, and okay, we're listening and we're giving you the right answer back so that we're starting off on the right foot.
What did you think about the online forum?
I think, the virtual course, like any course that's being virtual, it gives you flexibility, right? If you're a bit far from the office, or maybe you have some other appointment, right after the meeting is over, it gives you that bit of flexibility to absorb the information, and you don't have to be there physically.
The best thing about it is going back and reviewing things. I had a couple of things that I did not get the first time, so just rewind or watch the video again, and it was great.
I love the idea that it was videos. You could listen to them rather than just read. You understood it better, and then there were the practical assignments to that, and it's from experts that are doing it every day.
What would you say to other agents who are thinking about taking this course?
Take it easy. It will be overwhelming because you are new to this world. If you have a prior experience, then it's fine.
Anybody who's watching the accelerator, I will say take your notes. There are a lot of information.
Take it, and if you don't get it, take it again, because this is where it all starts.
Tell me a little bit more about those Friday community calls. What did you feel about those? You felt like you got more out of those?
I did, actually. Again, I'm a people person. I think it's a people industry. So actually being amongst people and hearing other people's ideas or answers or just even suggestions to things, I looked forward to the Friday Zoom calls.
I like it because there are some questions that I didn't thought about, but when they asked them, it was like, oh my God, he's right or she's right. It was really helpful.
The best part about the accelerator program is the Friday catch-up calls. I would highly recommend everyone to attend those calls.
Real estate Signature Realty is one of the best brokerage. So far, I have really good experience. People are so loving and they are so helping. Like you can ask any question to anyone, even as agent, like they're always happy to help you. That's what I like, the environment.
I felt that they had really good, market knowledge, very pertinent knowledge, and I think it's just, learning from people who've been in the industry for many years really makes you more confident to do your job on a day-to-day basis.
It was with another brokerage initially. I took the training. However, in this one, I feel I learned a lot of the practical stuff that I wish I had known before. I would have felt way more confident. Yeah.
We've got some experts in the field walking us through all this. We've got a design team to help us market ourselves, and we've got the offers team and the deals department to walk us through to make sure that the first deals and the second deals that we do work. It's so great.
Right from onboarding, right from talking to Jim, meeting Michael and all the management team. Whatever reviews I have heard in market or in Google, those are really true about Signature. They are the best.